one you use here, then this one. Yeah. So this, I do. This is for the ring for the, this is for the ring for the wax ring, we call it wax ring. This is a wax ring. Also this one is for the, put it right here, inside here. This is the new bathroom here. See the new bathroom, you have to put it there, right there. This is a commode to put the commode in here. We come back here because we call it is a final. So we're gonna put it a new toilet here. It's not dirty yet. It's not dirty yet. It's a new toilet. Oh my god, what happened to it? I put it a duct tape on it. Pull this plastic on this. Right there. This is the new toilet. Yeah, I take a video on it, but I cannot take a picture right there. Why? What? This is new Okay. They're right there. Have to put out the plastic in here because it don't work. Plastic. Stick and stir. So it's not done. So that's working. It's still working. So this is for the for the upstairs, and they're right there. We're working on it, we'll lay everything. This is all the stuff for the materials. All it's a darker here right now. We're gonna use it here. Right here. Now it's like this because somebody already put it like that, so we have to put it all the stuff here. This is first, or I'll show you when it's all. This is the big another house that we're working on. Here, really everything here. This is the master shower. Look at the master shower. You're gonna love this one. Look at that. Put there, the trim is not yet done. Put everything here, there. Wow, it's very beautiful. This is, we call it master bathroom. See, like this here. We're not done yet. We try to lay everything here. Like this. It's already here. All the materials. This is for here. And we have to lay, and also this for the undernet, all of this one here, right here. What you can see is not yet one is like that. For now it's like that. We have to lay, that's why we lay everything here, so that this is the bathroom here. This is the new bathroom. It's not yet one here. It's not yet used. This is new bathroom, and also here. This is for tools for the one when you do a bathroom. This is a ring. We call it a wax ring. This is for the to put it on here. Something. This one here. This is a plastic. So they put it like that. Yeah, see, still not yet work done. Or this one is for a crimping tools for the ring. See, all one like this here. So I'll show you when it's done. I'll show you all when it's everything is done. Still not yet done here. So that's